Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and toasting to build flavor. Heat a dry skillet and toast the oats 2-3 minutes until nutty. This boosts aroma and prevents clumping. Once done, bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, add 1/4 teaspoon salt, then stir in 1 cup steel cut oats. Make sure you stir immediately to stop sticking. Bring the mixture back up to a gentle boil for 30-60 seconds, then reduce heat. This jump-starts the texture control. Now maintain a low simmer and focus on gentle patience. Reduce heat so only small, steady bubbles rise. Vigorous boiling makes oats gummy. Stir every 3 to 5 minutes to redistribute starch and prevent scorching, and skim foam with a spoon if it forms to keep the pot tidy. If you want chewier oats, aim for 20 to 30 minutes. For creamier texture, cook closer to 30 to 40 minutes while continuing gentle stirring. Adjust heat as needed to finish by removing the pot from heat and covering it to rest 5 to 10 minutes. This allows oats to absorb remaining liquid and round out texture. Once rested, stir in a pat of butter or splash of milk and sweetener if desired. Taste and adjust salt. Serve immediately for best texture. If your batch is gummy, loosen with a splash of hot water and stir briskly. If too dry, return to low heat with a little water and simmer 1 to 3 minutes while stirring to rescue consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.